For thousands of years, ancient cave paintings and mysterious engravings have captivated us, hinting at the creative spark in our earliest ancestors. But now, scientists have uncovered something truly remarkable, a handprint in an Indonesian cave that may be the oldest known example of rock art in the world. This discovery is reshaping our understanding of early human culture and the origins of artistic expression. Located in a limestone cave on Muna Island in southeastern Sulawesi, Indonesia, researchers have identified two faint hand stencils painted on the rock surface. These handprints were likely created by placing a hand against the wall and blowing or spraying pigment around it. One of these prints has been dated to at least 67,800 years ago, which makes it older than any previously known cave art. The pigment used in these hand stencils was analyzed by an international team of scientists from Indonesia and Australia, who employed advanced dating techniques to determine just how old the artwork was. Instead of directly dating the pigment itself, they studied mineral deposits called calcite crusts that formed on top of the paintings. Because these crusts form after the art was created, dating them provides a reliable minimum age for the artwork underneath. This method, called uranium-series dating, is increasingly important in archaeology because rock art is notoriously difficult to date otherwise. Thanks to this approach, researchers concluded that the hand stencil is at least 67,800 years old, making it older than the famous hand stencils found in European caves, including some previously attributed to Neanderthals. The surprising age of this artwork has profound implications for our understanding of early human behavior. It suggests that humans, or human relatives in this region, were not only surviving but engaging in symbolic and cultural expression far earlier than many had thought. Art isn't just decoration. It's a way of communicating identity, community, and cognition. These hand stencils may represent something much deeper, expressions of identity, group membership, or even spiritual belief. One intriguing detail is that in at least one of the hand stencils, the fingertips appear deliberately narrowed or pointed, a stylistic choice seen in other examples of rock art in the region. This suggests that the artists weren't just making impressions by accident, they were intentionally creating meaningful designs. The location of this ancient cave art is also important. Sulawesi lies in a region of Southeast Asia that was a crucial crossroads for early human migrations. During the last ice age, when sea levels were lower, parts of the Indonesian archipelago were connected by land bridges, making it possible for humans to move between islands and eventually reach Australia. Because this hand stencil predates many other archaeological finds, it supports the idea that early humans were present in island Southeast Asia long before they reached Australia, potentially tens of thousands of years earlier than previously believed. This find adds to a growing body of evidence that the region was home to a rich artistic tradition stretching back tens of thousands of years. Other hand stencils and motifs nearby date from thousands of years later, showing that this practice of creating art endured across generations. What's particularly striking is how this art underscores the complexity of early human cognition. Producing a hand stencil requires the ability to plan, prepare pigment, and visually and perhaps symbolically orient the artwork. These are not basic survival skills, they are the hallmarks of creative thought and cultural practice. Archaeologists are still debating who exactly made this ancient artwork. It could have been created by early Homo sapiens, or possibly by another hominin group, such as the, who we know inhabited parts of Southeast Asia in the deep past. The fossil record in this region is incomplete, so the exact identity of the handprint's creator remains an exciting mystery. The discovery also raises big questions. Why did they make these prints? What did it mean to them? Were these impressions part of rituals, messages, or early storytelling? We don't have definitive answers yet, but each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the minds of our ancestors. As scientists continue to study this site and explore nearby caves, more ancient art may come to light. Each piece can help fill the gaps in our understanding of how early humans lived, thought, and interacted with each other. This is just one chapter in a much larger story, one that continues to unfold slowly beneath the surface of the earth. This handprint reminds us that art, and the desire to leave a mark is an enduring aspect of what it means to be human. It connects us with individuals who lived tens of thousands of years ago, linking our creative instincts across time and space. This is an extraordinary discovery that continues to reshape what we know about early human history. If you found this interesting, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel to stay up to date with new archaeological findings as they're uncovered.